Hi folks, look at SharperTrades. The S&P 500 made a bullish move, a bullish kicker. There were very intense development over the weekend with the US strike in Venezuela, arresting their president, Maduro, taking it to New York. So a lot of transition. All companies primarily spiked today as they saw a potential for massive restructuring and gain over the next many years. So market responded positive as well with a bullish kicker. The S&P 500 closed with an upper shadow, had some selling into after the lunch hour or around the lunch hour. So the recent resistance here, the 692 all-time high remains in place, it needs to break through. If you move past the level, we're looking for 698 and then 707. Support is 80 MA, 680, 50 SMA, further down 671. CVX, Chevron. Okay, so the oil companies, many of these companies very well positioned to profit. They do refineries and stuff. And Venezuela is kind of across the border from the Gulf of Mexico. Anyway, so there is Gulf of Mexico further down into the South America. But anyway, so it's a massive opportunity for Chevron. And so we saw with this bullish move and breaking out of this descending trend line and lateral support now. Support here is 159. Targets 170, 178, and let's see if this one might stretch all the way to 186. It might take a few days to digest the information, but it's got a lot of potential, especially with today's volume. Disney is a swing. Today spiked to 116 and then a pullback. It needs to come back above 115. I like the volume today. It's a swing. On this pullback is still above the secondary support at 110. So I'm looking for 120, 126 and 132, but again, needs to break through the 115 and hold. ETHA, this one is a swing initiated today, crypto related, Ethereum primarily. We spotted dark pool activities a few days ago around this level, somewhere around 22, 2250. A big move today, volume increase 2 days in a row. That's important. And break through the 50 SMA. The targets are 25, 60, 27, and 28.20. Support 23.20 and 22.50. SOFI very strong with volume, crypto related, some exposure to crypto. Breakout, or at least attempting, just lifting this line a little bit. But it is a breakout of the 50 SMA with volume. So let's see if it extends. It needs to move past 30, 32, 35, 37 are the targets supported to the long the ATMA. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000 available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.